First, open WhatsApp and go to any chat. Once you're in the chat, tap the emoji icon at the bottom left corner. Next, head over to the Stickers tab on the right side. Here you'll see all of your saved stickers. At the top row, you'll notice an option that says Create Sticker. That's the one we need, so tap Create. WhatsApp will show you some recent images. Choose the picture you want. Once you've selected it, the image will appear with the background automatically removed. You'll see two options here. Tap the left icon if you want to keep the background, or tap the right icon if you want only the cutout of the person or object. Now your basic sticker is ready, but you can edit it further using the tools at the top. The first tool lets you add other stickers or emojis on top. Just select the one you like, resize it, and move it around as you want. You have full creative freedom here. The second tool lets you add text. Type anything you like. And you can also change the font and color using the options provided. The third tool is for drawing. Simply pick a color and draw directly on your sticker. If you make a mistake, you can always undo or remove it. Once you're happy with your design, tap Done to finalize it. Now, if you like how your sticker turned out, just tap Send at the bottom right to send it in the chat. To save the sticker for later use, tap on it, then choose Add to Favorites. You'll now find it anytime in your Favorites section under Stickers. And that's it. You've just created your own custom sticker on WhatsApp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.